What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm at a really cool place. It's a really cool place for adventuring, but I really fancy to go on an adventure, but I've got no one to go with. Wait. There's a BMX. Oh, whose is this? I wonder who this could be. Let's take it back to where I was. Hello? Hey, that's my bike. Oh yeah, it is, isn't it? Who are you?
I'm Spooty off YouTube. Do you not know me?
Let's check. Yes, it says Spooty on there. Wait, you're Spooty from the real Spooty? Can you go on an adventure with me?
Guess I have nothing else better to do.
Yes, let's go. We're going on an adventure. Would it even be possible? Right.
Oh, it's so slippery.
You're faking up it. Faking up it.
You can actually fake the up things.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to fake the down things.
You're going to go down that?
Yeah.
I'll go down it as well, I might as well.
Ready? Move out my way, you fat bingo head.
You know what? You're not coming to my birthday party anymore. Right, let's see Aiden go down this. Did you almost slip?
Mud, taking me. I'm sinking.
Guys, this is the best content you'll get from Ace's BMX.
I'm joking.
I'm joking.
Wait, that's my new tire.
Ah, it's muddy. How are we going to get to the co-op?
Actually, not my new tires.
I love your new tyres. You don't mind? You don't mind new tyres?
Yours aren't as bad. Because mine are blue, it just put it on. It's short.
I can record up to 10 hours on here. Is that enough? 10 hours?
No, I'm gonna be out for about 15.
Yeah. Sorry guys, you won't get as much content as you deserve.
Here we go.
Here we go. The thing is, after I've exported it and everything to my phone and everything, I can just delete it. I hope I put everything in my bag. I hope I put everything in my bag. No, just wondering, you know. I can always come back. If I forgot about it, it can't be that important. I'm not riding up this hill, I can't be asked.
So fun.
You're fun. Yeah, I guess. The world is spinning too fast.
This is where the dead rat was.
Nice.
Dead baby rat. It was
Ratatouille. Rest in peace. BMX POV with GoPro Hero 10. Right, so Aiden's going to look up the bike because he's going to get some stuff to come up. But you're going to get, mister.
I don't know.
How much do you have?
£3.40. And depends what I get. I could get like 3 things or 2 things max.
Yeah.
I left my bag at home.
I left my GoPro at home.
Good, cool.
Right, so I'm going to stop recording and yeah, we're going to have fun.
Calling the world from isolation. 'Cause right now that's the ball where we betray. pictures while I'm calling you. I'm the lonely twin that left hand. Reset myself and get back on track. I don't want this isolation. See the state I'm in now. Calling the hunter with the rifle. 'Cause right now that's the ball where we be chained. Shoot it true. I want you in the pictures while I'm calling you. Calling you. I'm the lonely twin that left hand. Reset myself and get back on track. I don't want this isolation. See the state I'm in now. If I pick it up when I know that it's broken, do I put it on? Or do I head out onto the lonesome trail and let you go? I'm a lonely twin that left hand. I don't want this isolation. See the state I'm in now.
What's up guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It's a bit of a different video and yeah, sorry that it's not the usual video and it might have not been that entertaining, but you know, it's like a different video and it's the first video that I did with my GoPro. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please subscribe, like and everything, blah 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 blah. I don't really want to get too much into it, but yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye. Oh my god. Oh god. Whee, mummy! Mummy, look. Yeah.
Right, go on.
First person and third person zip line time. Here we go. Shoo! Oh god. Oh god. Ah! But you didn't expect me to stand up on it, huh?
Now you guys can see some other pumpkin.
Yes. Oh god, how do I get down? Ooh. Standing up. Oh god.
Here we go.
Here we go. You get the cool.
What did you see? What does he say? Shoe shine?
Yeah, shoe shine. It's about making
Oh yeah,
shoes.
because it's shoes.
Yeah. Duh. Let's watch the video back.